good, taking each day as it comes. So today I'm literally going to be showing you how I made a bag out of trouser legs. And you guys might be asking me, like, where did you get these trouser legs and why are you cutting up stuff? I've got the answer, guys. Let's just pause and rewind to last week's video quick. So I had these leftover trouser legs. You remember? Let's get back to the video. So with those leftover legs, I decided to create a bag. A glimpse of what we're doing. So like, I got loads of squares that are basically like different colors. So if you can put 2 and 2 together, I think you'll understand what type of bag I'm making. High heel shoes that I used for a shoot time ago cover these round with the denim. Literally give it a whole new life, like a denim life, just to match the bag. You get the vibes? To start this DIY, I just started off by cutting the trouser legs open. So this is what I had left. And then I just started cutting squares, like super simple, guys. I loved it. If you don't know this technique, make sure to check out my other YouTube video on how I made patchwork jeans. But yeah, enjoy the time lapse. Once that was done, this is the fun part where we're going to use bleach, and I'm literally going to bleach like half of them and keep the other half blue. Just showing you there, and make sure it's thick bleach. Make sure to add a tiny little bit of water inside with the bleach and just mix that up. Then one by one, add the pieces into the bleach. I filmed the process over on Instagram at madebynale. Once that was done, you should have something like this. I also added mine into the tumble dryer so that it could fray. And I just started piecing together the pattern, guys. And this is what I was doing. I kind of wanted checks. And then to sew the pieces together, I was just figuring out how it's going to line up. I'm going to show you properly how to make sure you're sewing it correctly, okay? So we want the frayed pieces to show. So we're going to put literally wrong sides together and sew and line straight in the middle. So that here's me showing you how to do so. So literally wrong sides together, I believe. Yep, this is me correcting myself because the first time I messed up, guys. And it's okay to mess up. You see how I'm like showing you guys wrong sides together and then just sew it down. I'd done a couple on the sides just to make sure I'm teaching you guys the right things. But yeah, watch me sew this all together. Before I time lapse it, I'm just showing you here how to connect it so it's a long chain. You literally want to do wrong sides together and keep repeating that till you've got like a long situation going. And the next video I'm going to show you is how I put 2 long pieces together because we're going to do rows of 3, okay? So to add another like line, you want to put the wrong sides together again. So basically using the same method that you were doing for all the little squares. It's quite tedious. It does take some time. But yeah, put them together. Also pin it if you'd like. I didn't really mind how if the squares weren't matching because I wanted it like that. But yeah, guys, super easy. Same process, just with a longer piece. You should have something that looks like this, and then I literally folded the bag like so, and I actually sewed it like top stitching, so again wrong sides together, and just like literally sewed a box, closing the bottom and closing the other side seam, and I left the top open as a raw seam. And this is how the bag was looking, and then I decided just to like push it in. I fixed that little opening there, but yeah, I just decided to push it in like so that the bag would look more like closed up like so. I just thought it was a lot cuter than having it as like a proper bag. And then I also used keychains, guys. Let's get to that DIY part. So with this leftover keychains, I don't know if you guys remember those that came to my fashion show, but I gave everyone like tall keychains and I had leftover keychains. Oh, how many times am I going to say keychains? So I just decided to make literally a bag strap out of it. This is how cute the bag was looking, guys. So watch me do that. It's hard for me to explain, but I basically connected all the pieces together. And this is how I made this super cute bag, and I can't wait to show you guys the shoes. I'm still gonna add some more like bits to it, so stay tuned on Instagram at madebynale if you want to see me adding the eyelets and all that stuff so we can close the bag, guys. See you next week.